Okay, I found this little bird right in front of my office. I think it's either sick or it's too old. I don't know what to do. I found it outside. I'll bring it inside. Let me know. Well, I have to go home now. Not sure I can bring you home if you move like this. Maybe he's sick. He's too old. I don't know. Somebody help. I don't even know what kind of bird this is. Bây giờ sao giờ? Oh man. Can't look. I gave him food. I don't have any food. I gave him snack. He didn't. No snack. Maybe tree. What you eat? What you eat? Oh. He's either injured or too old. So I need help. I don't know what to do. Oh man. Hello. You want food? You want water? Maybe water? Water. Okay. Maybe some water for you. I don't know, man. I have water. You want some water? Here, water. Some water? It's water. You want some water? Water! No water. He's too old, I think. He can't stand on his own. Or sick. Hay là đổ nước lên ta? Không có đồ ăn gì hết. Ok. Đổ. Ê! Poop! Dude! I try to help you, man! What the hell? What is that? You poop right here? Shit! Oh, come on! Okay, I think you're getting better now. Can you walk? Can you walk? Go! Fly away. Here. Oh my god, it smells too! What the hell, dude? Trời ơi, cái gì vậy trời? Okay, I think... Well, I don't know what to do. He just pooped on my floor. Oh, sorry. You okay? I don't know what to do, man. Okay, goodbye. Bye-bye.